So we're back looking at the AI Agent Store website again. Always interesting stuff popping up there.
It really is, yeah.
Yeah,
Good way to see what's actually being built.
definitely. And today we noticed one in the sales category called Virtuans AI.
Ah, Virtuans AI, right.
Yeah.
Looking at the listing here, the main idea seems to be, well, autonomous AI sales agents.
Autonomous. That sounds like a big step. What does the website say it actually does by itself?
Well, it's described as handling that whole initial part of the sales process. So actually engaging with leads, qualifying them,
Okay.
scheduling the meetings, and even like managing CRM updates,
Yeah.
all supposedly without constant human oversight.
Right. Okay. Engaging leads is one thing, but doing it everywhere is key. Does it mention what channels it uses?
It does. They list WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and web widgets too. The pitch is basically 247 engagement wherever leads might show up.
That multi-channel always-on thing is a pretty common pain point for sales teams. What's the tech underneath it all?
The listing says it's powered by Anthropic's Claude 4 Sonnet model.
Ah, Claude 4 Sonnet.
Yeah, and they emphasize that this helps with creating more, human-like conversations and handling complex reasoning during those sales chats.
Okay, that makes sense. That conversational ability probably ties into this claim they make about, what is it, an 84% autonomy level?
Exactly. 84%.
Yeah.
Well, that's a big number, isn't it?
It is. How does the site justify that? Autonomy in sales seems tricky.
Good question. The explanation seems to hinge on a few things. They mention hybrid reasoning intelligence for solving multi-step problems.
Yeah. Hybrid reasoning.
Better instruction handling so it follows directions well, plus the 247 operation with awareness across channels, and it uses machine learning to get better over time.
So it's like a combination of understanding context, following complex flows, and learning. That's how they get to that high autonomy figure, supposedly.
That seems to be the argument, yeah. It's not just one feature, but how they work together.
Makes sense. Who does the listing say this is actually for?
It lists quite a few roles: sales managers, marketers, customer service reps, business development folks, even CRM admins.
So a pretty broad range.
Yeah, and across industries too. Sales, marketing, customer service, real estate, e-commerce are the ones mentioned.
Gotcha. Lots of places with high lead volume or customer interaction. What about the cost? How do you pay for something like this?
It's paid, and specifically, it's task-based pricing,
Task-based, meaning?
meaning you pay for completed actions. The site suggests this helps optimize your return on investment because you're not just paying a flat fee.
Ah, okay. So you pay when it actually does something, like qualifies a lead or schedules that meeting.
Exactly. The cost is tied directly to those tangible outcomes, which they position as more efficient.
Interesting model. Does the listing give some, concrete examples of what tasks it automates?
Yeah, it mentions things like automating the whole lead engagement and qualification piece up front,
Right.
and automatically scheduling meetings, managing calendars based on availability, cutting out that back and forth,
That'd save some time.
and keeping the CRM updated in real time, reducing that manual data entry drudgery.
So it really focuses on those time-consuming, maybe repetitive, but essential front-end tasks. Frees up the human team for more complex stuff, potentially.
That seems to be the core idea, handling the initial engagement and the admin around it.
It's pretty fascinating to see AI agents being positioned with this level of claimed autonomy for customer-facing roles.
Definitely. And it leaves you with a thought, right? If agents like Virtuans AI can really operate this autonomously in sales or service, how does that reshape those entire departments? What does the human role become?
Yeah, that's a big question to think about. Well, you can check out Virtuans AI for yourself and explore other agents over at aiagentstore.ai.
Worth a look. Thanks for tuning in.
And thanks for taking a moment to rate our discussion.